Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Today we have an epic showdown between two treadmills that will take your fitness game to the next level. On the left, we have the VIPLAT walking pad treadmill, and on the right, we have the Rhythm Fun foldable treadmill. Let's dive right into the comparisons and find out which one comes out on top. Let's start with everyone's favorite category, price. The VIPLAT walking pad treadmill comes in at just $249, while the Rhythm Fun foldable treadmill is priced slightly higher at $369. Now I know what you're thinking, why would I spend more? Well, stick around because there's more to it than just the price tag. When it comes to design, both treadmills bring something unique to the table. The VIPLAT walking pad treadmill is all about saving space with its compact design. It's only 5.7 inches thick and can be easily stored vertically under your desk or bed. Plus, it has built-in wheels for effortless maneuverability. On the other hand, the Rhythm Fun foldable treadmill offers a wide running belt, providing a spacious running area and a 2-in-1 design that requires no assembly. Just unfold it and start sweating. Now let's talk about the heart of these treadmills, the motor. The VIPLAT walking pad treadmill boasts a powerful 2.5 horsepower motor that can handle up to 242 pounds of weight. It operates at less than 45 decibels, so you can enjoy a quiet and comfortable exercise experience even in the office. Meanwhile, the Rhythm Fun foldable treadmill comes with a 2.5 horsepower motor as well, but it can carry up to 300 pounds. It allows you to reach a max speed of 6.7 miles per hour and walk up to 3.8 miles per hour. That's some serious power, folks. Now let's dive into the features that make these treadmills stand out. The VIPLAT walking pad treadmill comes with a lifetime service guarantee, ensuring that you'll be taken care of if any issues arise. It also has a shock, absorbent, and non-slip running belt with 8 impact-absorbing zones to protect your knees and joints. On the other hand, the Rhythm Fun foldable treadmill offers an LED display that shows time, speed, distance, and calories burned, keeping your progress in check. It even has an app that allows you to join course training and record exercise data. Talk about staying connected. Both treadmills have received positive reviews from customers. Reviewers praise the VIPLAT walking pad treadmill for its ease of use, compact design, and convenience. On the other hand, the Rhythm Fun foldable treadmill is highly recommended for its features, spacious running area, and connectivity options. And there you have it, folks. The VIPLAT walking pad treadmill and the Rhythm Fun foldable treadmill both bring their A game to the table. While the VIPLAT is more budget-friendly and focuses on space-saving design, the Rhythm Fun offers a wider running belt and some cool app features. It ultimately comes down to your personal preferences and needs. So which one will you choose? Let us know in the comments below. That's all for today's episode of Buy Smart. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more product comparisons. Stay tuned for our next episode where we'll help you buy smart. See you next time!